How to get Kleavor in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bibin Basnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can get Kleavor in Pokemon Go. Now, one of the many newer creatures that have eluded players in Pokemon Go is the Hisuian evolution for the fan favorite Pokemon Skyther Kleavor. Now, many fans want to complete the Pokédex or give the creature a run in the game's competitive battles league, so many may know, or many may want to add it to its collection. However, finding and catching a Kleavor is more complex than many would hope for. With this in mind, players may want a refresher on how to do so. Now, firstly, it is unavailable in the game itself in the wild, as a Kleavor is a Hisuian evolution. The creature's distribution closely resembles that of other Hisuian Pokemon like Raider, Hisuian, and such. Now, how you can counter it or how you can get it? The only way to get it is through the raid. It was previously available by completing a 3-star raid. So you want to go ahead and look into for any Kleavor raids available nearby, and you want to take part in it, and you want to go ahead and capture it once you beat it. So this way you can get Kleavor, and it's the only way to get Kleavor in Pokemon Go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.